Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I do hope that you definitely must have understood my previous lectures as far as the sounds are concerned. Today we are going to make a continuation of the A sound. In our previous lecture, we tried to make a practice about the A sound with one word that is based on O, like this, or U. Today we are going to make a practice about how this A sound is produced with the help of O letter. Many times we face such words that produce very different kind of sounds that are totally unrecognizable for especially for those people who are not familiar with the actual sounds and the true pronunciations as far as the words are concerned. So today we are going to make a practice about that how this A sound is produced with O letter. Let's see and we make a practice that how this sound is being produced like this. First of all, we have here the word come, ka, a and m, come. Let's see how it is produced.
Come.
Again.
Come.
Again.
Come.
The next one is sun. Sun. Sun.
Sun. Sun. Sun.
Next one is done. Done.
Done. Done. Done.
The next one is money. Money.
Money. Money. Money. Brother. Brother. Brother.
Below the words you are seeing different kind of symbols. Basically these symbols are based on phonetic sounds, okay, that tells us that how a true pronunciation of any word is made. Unless you do not focus on these words, this is what we say in phonetic sounds in transcription. What we say it as a transcription, that how the word is transcribed or explained in normal sense or normal term. So this is what we need to focus on. If we make a focus on the simple words and we will not focus on the actual accurate sound, so ultimately we will not be able to pronounce the actual word with true accuracy. So it is very essential, it is very necessary that we should learn such kind of these symbols. Why? Because in English language, this is the one of the most important element of the course code, like 103 and 104, especially 103, where in English language the student will have to differentiate or will have to define that what is phonetic and what is phonology. So I must tell you that these symbols are based on phonology. Okay, so if you will not make a focus on them, so ultimately those students who will not make a practice or learn these symbols, they will face obviously problem as far as their third paper is concerned in first semester. Okay, this is what we see, and now we are going to make more practice that how this O sound is being produced with A. Number one, nothing, nothing, nothing. Mother, mother, mother. Next one is cover, cover, cover. Try to focus on R sound, that where this R sound is produced. Cover, K-A-V-R, cover. Next one is love, love, L-A-N-V. This is V, the letter V that does produce V sound. Next one is one, one, V-A-N. Sometimes V and W does produce the same sound, V, V-A-N, one. The next one is none, none, N-A-N, none. Next one is among, among. Here our sound is short sound, and what is the short sound? I will tell you about in next video, that this A sound is being produced with 5 different positions. Today we are going to read or make a practice about the second condition, and this second condition is based on what we say A sound. A, alif mad A, okay, A sound. So let's see, come and let's see that how this R sound is being produced with O and U letters, especially O and U letters. Here we are. Let's see, when sometime we see the words that are called the joint words, and these joint words are obviously explained, written, and especially they are read with O and U, R sound. They produce R sound. And one more thing is that I would like to tell you very mostly, that we are going to make a progress about the vowel sounds. These vowel sounds that are based on A, E, I, O and U. Okay, so vowel sounds that are normally being pronounced as vowel. Always remember that vowel is a wrong pronunciation. Vowel sound is the true and accurate pronunciation as far as the letters are concerned. So here we are. Touch, touch. Listen carefully.
touch, touch, touch,
Rough,
rough, rough, rough,
young, young,
young, young, young,
trouble, trouble,
trouble, trouble, trouble, couple, couple, couple,
So here did you see that this O and U sounds, when these both vowel sounds join together, they always do produce one common sound, and that sound is called A sound. Again, we are going to make a review that how these words are being pronounced. Listen carefully.
touch, 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 rough, 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 young, 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 trouble, 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 couple, couple, couple.
Now I do hope that you must have understood or learned these vowel sounds with O, with U, and with O and U. Obviously, all these 3 letters mean the vowel letters do produce one common sound, and that is called A sound. Okay, if you have any question, You will definitely you that will be welcome. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay, at YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.